Hello viewers, I am an associate at Dialysis. Today I would be talking about the well-known case of Ryland versus Fletcher. So it is a landmark legal case in English tort law. The case has to establish the principle of strict liability for harm caused by the dangerous or hazardous activities. So here I will summarize the same. So what were the facts? In the mid-19th century, defendants Mr. Rylands employed contractors to construct a reservoir on his land during the construction. The contractor discovered a series of old coal shafts and passages that had been filled up. Instead of adequately blocking these passages, these proceeded with the construction. After the reservoir was filled, the water burst through the shafts and flooded the plaintiffs, that is Mr. Fletcher's coal mines, causing significant damage. And so what were the legal issues? The central issue in the case was whether the defendant was liable for the damages caused by the escape of water from the land, even though they are not negligent in their action. So what was the court's decision? The House of Lords held that the defendant was indeed liable for the damages caused. The court established the principle that when a person brings onto the land something that is likely to cause harm, if it escapes and the thing does that does escape and causes damage, they are strictly liable for that harm, regardless of whether they are negligent or at fault. So the principle of strict liability in this case is also known as the Rylands versus Fletcher rule, or the rule in Rylands versus Fletcher. It imposes liability on a person who brings or keep on the land anything likely to do harm if it escapes, and if it does escapes and causes damage, regardless of whether they were negligent. However, there is an exception to this rule, such as acts of gods and acts of third parties. So the case of Ryland versus Fletcher had a significant impact on tort law, particularly in relation to liability for environmental harm and the escape of substantial or dangerous things from one's property. So here viewers, I'll end up this video, and if anyone has any doubt regarding the same, do let me in the comment section. Thank you.